Grapes are ripe in September and October, so now is the right time for harvest. It has been more than a month since the last spraying, so they can be safely picked and eaten. I grow dark varieties of Hamburg, Cardinal, and Moldova, and from the light varieties, I have Afus Ali. I also have one pink variety whose name I don't know, but it is very aromatic. We can never eat all the harvested quantities in such a short time, so to prevent them from spoiling, we always preserve a part of the grapes in jars. Here is how it's done. First, we pick 3 varieties of grapes for storing in jars. While they are still fresh, we separate the berries from the stems. Hamburg has smaller berries, but the taste is perfect. There was a drought this year, so the berries remained a bit smaller, but on the other hand, the sun and heat are good for grapes because the berries become very sweet and tasty. This year, quality won over quantity. We pour water to wash the grapes well. Clean jars are needed. Then we fill the jar with the washed grapes. I do the same procedure with the light grape variety, Afasali. I separate them from the stems, wash them, and fill the jar. These berries are a bit larger and not as sweet, but they have a very nice taste. And finally, the pink grapes. I separate them from the stems, wash them, and fill the jars. This season, I decided not to mix the varieties, but to have one variety in each jar. Now I pour 1 large spoon of sugar into each jar. The grapes themselves are sweet enough, but sugar acts as a preservative so they do not spoil in the jar. Finally, I pour water into the jars to the top, so it covers the grapes. Then we screw on the lids. Next, pasteurization is done in a large pot. The jars are arranged in the pot. A kitchen towel is usually placed at the bottom so they don't break when the water boils. Add cold water up to the height of the jars. Heat until the water boils and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn off the stove and let the jars cool completely in the water. Grapes packed this way are stored in a dark and cold place, preferably on shelves in the pantry. They can be stored for a very long time without spoiling. It is best when a jar of grapes is opened in the middle of winter. The taste is really good. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.